Alright, so today is the day, September 26th, and we are going to get the car tuned and take his older brother with. So we are here to get the car and get all my camera stuff and my extras, sensors and whatnot. And we're gonna be putting them in the truck and we're gonna be heading out in a couple minutes and get the car tuned. So we're here. It's the very last station right now. We'll get the car. Alright, so what's going to happen next is Jeff is going to rev the engine up, keep it at an RPM, and what we're doing is looking for a misfire that had been occurring. We gapped the plugs down, it still didn't help. So you're going to watch him search for it, and if you listen hard enough, you'll actually be able to hear the misfire. And what it ultimately turned out to be was coil dwell was too high for some. It wasn't high, it was at 4 milliseconds, but the car didn't like that. So we dropped it down to 1.5 milliseconds, and for some reason it got better. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We had a great successful dyno day, and we made about 480 horsepower. So we can't complain about that, but we did run out of time. There's always the next time to tune for more boosts, so watch the next video, and we're going to analyze the dyno logs and the data to show you exactly what was going on. But thanks for watching, like and subscribe. New YouTube channel, alright? Brand new to this. Catch you later.